Gimel is the third letter of many Semitic alphabets, including Phoenician, Aramaic, Hebrew, Syriac U, and Arabic C-nanavolt MO. Its sound value in the original Phoenician and in all derived alphabets, save Arabic, is a voiced velar plosive, e. In modern Standard Arabic, it represents as many standards including, e, see below. In its unattested Proto-Canaanite form, the letter may have been named after a weapon that was either a staff sling or a throwing stick, ultimately deriving from a Proto-Sinaitic glyph based on the hieroglyph below. The Phoenician letter gave rise to the Greek gamma, the Latin C and G, and the Cyrillic th. Hebrew Gimel, variations, Hebrew spelling, 001/4 unregistered trademark Omicron A. Bertrand Russell posits that the letter's form is a conventionalized image of a camel. 1. The letter may be the shape of a walking animal's head, neck, and forelegs. Barry B. Powell, a specialist in the history of writing, states it is hard to imagine how Gimel equals camel can be derived from the picture of a camel. The letter Gimel is one of the 6 letters which can receive a djesh. The 2 functions of djesh are distinguished as either cow or hazik. The 6 letters are bet, Gimel, daled, kaf, pei, and taf. 3 of them have their sound value changed in modern Hebrew from the fricative to the plosive by adding a djesh. The other 3 represent the same pronunciation in modern Hebrew, but have had alternate pronunciations at other times and places. In the Temani pronunciation, Gimel represents, or when with a djesh, and without a djesh. In modern Hebrew, the combination cubed is used in loanwords and foreign names to denote angstrom. Significance: in gematria, Gimel represents the number 3. It is written like a vav with a yud as a foot, and it resembles a person in motion. Symbolically, a rich man running after a poor man to give him charity, as in the Hebrew alphabet Gimel directly precedes dalet, which signifies a poor or lowly man, from the Hebrew word dal. The word Gimel is related to Jamal, which means justified repayment, or the giving of reward and punishment. Gimel is also one of the 7 letters which receive special crowns when written in a Sefer Torah. See Shin, Ayin, Tith, Nun, Zayin, and Tzadi. In modern Hebrew, the frequency of usage of Gimel, out of all the letters, is 1.26%. Syriac Gamel Gomel. In the Syriac alphabet, the 3rd letter is Gamel in Eastern pronunciation, Gomel in Western pronunciation. It is one of 6 letters that represent 2 associated sounds. When Gamel Gomel has a hard pronunciation it represents, e, like goat. When Gamel Gomel has a soft pronunciation it traditionally represents, e pound, or amel omel. The letter, renamed Jamel Jumel, is written with a tilde tie either below or within it to represent the borrowed phoneme, angstrom, which is used in Ghazuni and some Neo-Aramaic languages to write loan and foreign words from Arabic or Persian. Arabic C-nanavolt M, the associated Arabic letter O is named Oshu C-nanavolt M. It is written as several ways depending on its position in the word. Modern Standard Arabic has many standard pronunciations, although in the Western countries, the affricate, angstrom is mostly taught as the standard. Differences in pronunciation occur, because speakers of Modern Standard Arabic pronounce words in accordance to their spoken variety of Arabic. In such varieties, cognate words will have consistent differences in pronunciation of this sound. In northern Algeria, Iraq, limited parts of the Levant and most of the Arabian Peninsula, it is, angstrom, yet in the Arabian Peninsula it may be softened to, e in some situations. In Egypt and Yemen, it is normally pronounced, e. In some situations this pronunciation may exist in the West and most of North Africa in a few words, but not when pronouncing literary Arabic. In most of the Levant and Northwest Africa, it is, e. In Kuwaiti Arabic and Gulf Arabic, it is pronounced, j, in the most colloquial speech, while, angstrom and sometimes softened to, e in literary Arabic pronunciation. In some regions of Sudan and Yemen, it is pronounced, I, another common reconstruction of the classical Arabic pronunciation. Other pronunciations it is a palatalized, e angstrom squared, which is a common reconstruction of the pronunciation in the classical Arabic of early Islamic times. Egyptians always use the letter to represent E, as well as in names and loanwords, such as glyph. However, it isn't incorrect to use it in Egypt for transcribing. The opposite isn't incorrect among other Arabic language speakers. In Perso-Arabic script, it is called jarm. In Egypt, when there is a need to transcribe or, both are approximated into, using u. In Persian, Urdu, Sindhi, Ottoman Turkish and other languages using Perso-Arabic script, u represents the affricate. Ethiopian Sudanese Gimel, the dialect of Eastern Africa, often utilizes the Gimel suffix when the Gimel ends a word. The letter is a traditional Gimel with an add-on curve on the bottom. Character encodings, see also, the serif form of the Hebrew letter Gimel is occasionally used for the Gimel function in mathematics. References. External links, the mystical significance of the Hebrew letters, Gimel.